Okay, find the sum of each series. This is question 18. Now, this question here is a little bit more difficult. The reason for that is, regardless of the equation that I use here for summing up all these terms, I don't know how many terms there are in these sequences here. So the very first thing that I got to do is figure out the number of terms in each sequence. And the way I do that is to not use the summation formula. I have to use the sequence formula. So I know that the nth term here is equal to 179. I know that the first term is 11. And I can see right now that the d value, well, the d value is going to be term 2 minus term 1. So 23 minus 11 is 12. So what I'm going to do here is set up my sequence equation. So 179 is going to equal 11 plus n minus 1 times 12. Okay, and we've done these sorts of questions earlier in this chapter here. So the first thing we're going to do is, because we've got two different terms here, we're going to get rid of the term that doesn't have the n. So I'm going to subtract 11 from both sides. So I'm going to get 168 is equal to n minus 1 times 12. And then I've got the two factors here. I'm going to divide out the factor that doesn't have the n in it. So I'm going to divide by 12 here. And I'm going to get 14 is equal to n minus 1. And when I bring that over, I get n equals 15. So now there are 15 terms in this sequence. I'm going to sum up the first 15 terms. And at this point here, I could use either equation, but I already know the last term. So I might as well use the equation, the summation equation that requires the last term. So 15 over 2 times a plus 179. And so we are going to get 7.5 really times 11 plus 179. And our answer here is 1,425.